Hello everyone! We are the Moon Learning team and we won the Moon Village Design Hackathon 2021 at the 5th Global Moon Village Workshop and Symposium on December 6 to 8, 2021 with the challenge Education on the Moon Village for Lunar Youth. We are 4 team members.
My name is Kevin Castañeda, I'm 19 years old, I'm a student of Aeronautical Engineering from Army Aviation School. So, I support my team by investigating about environmental engineering.
Hello, my name is Juan Carlos. I'm a mechanical engineering student at Universidad Nacional de Colombia, and what I had my team with was researching the additive manufacturing technician career, the mechanical engineering career, and the financial analysis of the university.
Hello, my name is Juan Andres. I'm 17 years old. I am a student of Aeronautical Engineering at Army Aviation School. I support my team creating and designing a web page that you could see behind me and creating a new degrees and technician like the solar engineering, creating a pensum and a lot of things.
Hi, my name is Jason Fabian Cruz Sanabria. I am 22 years old. I am a student of aeronautic engineer in the Army Aviation School. I support my team with the information and investigation of new degrees.
We have created a university at the moon with degrees and very large list of technicians. The degrees and technician looks for supplies they need that a moon village will be appear and innovate in the methodology of education, creating work groups of all kind of levels of the educative, like masters, like doctors, like professionals, and like technicians.
Also, we thought about the benefits that we could create because the university are going to support itself by selling a new investigation and knowledge.
More information is on our webpage moonlearninguniver.wixsite.com/engineering or on our Facebook page at ML University.
My experience about the competition was that I got new skills about researching and I confront a new challenge. I did something that I never thought that I could do, and also I improved my English because all the competition was in English, and that was so satisfying for me because I could do it, and all my team did a good teamwork.
My experience of the competition was that it was a very fast-paced environment that forced me to think ahead and face challenges that I had never faced before. So that really increased my thinking skills and gave me a lot of contacts from all over the world.
My experience in the competition was so nice because I could improve my engineering skill, obviously my English skills, and my interpersonal communication skills because all the competition was online and I had to talk with mentors and other participants around the world, and that was so gratificant.
My experience of the competition was very nice because I made new friends and also I could improve my English.
Thanks to Moon Village Association for the opportunity. We are Moon Learning, founders of Moon Learning University, and we want to see you on the next MBA's Hackathon.